make these cinnamon sugar coated pecans. I'll show you how. Get yourself a small bowl, add 1 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Whisk it all together. Grab a larger bowl, add 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon water, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you want to whisk this up until it's frothy. Then add 1 pound pecan halves. Give this a good toss to make sure that every single pecan is moist with the egg white. 1 pound of pecan halves is about 454 grams, or about 4 1/4 cups. Just a little over 4 cups. You want to mix that very well. Once pecans are all coated, add that sugar mixture with the salt and the cinnamon, and give that a final toss. Again, make sure everything is coated. And at this point, you can preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. That looks great. Now line your baking sheet with parchment paper and dump those pecans on it. You want to give this a good spread all throughout the baking sheet so it's in a single layer. And then bake it in that preheated 250 degree Fahrenheit oven for 1 hour, tossing it every 15 minutes. An hour, I've been tossing it every 15 minutes. I'm just going to give it a final toss and let this cool a bit so you can try it. It's cooled enough for me to try one. So good. I give these out as gifts a lot. Put them in nice jars, and they always love them and ask for the recipe.